Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's Hamster Kombat Morse Code is game, and this is how to get it. After you get this display, the letter you are looking for to is G. Long tab, long tab, dot, long press, dot gives you G, dot, and long press gives you A. Then long press gives you M, and dot gives you E. That's game. Okay, let's try phi, and then we have I dot dot game phi, and that unlocks our prize. You can take your prize. The code is cracked. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay active for more. Come back tomorrow and we'll keep cracking codes.